Sounds gorgeous. Dude, I wish I had videos on my phone still of like at our old place when we had a German Shepherd and a Husky too. Dude, that was fun. Fucking the little fucking.
Stamina though, man.
Dude, 69. And the sloth licking? Dude, they just. Sloth will get under there and like, hey, Leo! It's just like jujitsu, like fucking. Or not jujitsu, like fucking. Oh yeah, I guess. No, not jujitsu. What would we consider?
Wrestling?
Kind of, but what's the other one? Yeah, striking. Dude, have you always known that thing about sloth? What? I never knew that about the breed itself.
Yeah.
Dude, I didn't know I was recording the whole time. Tell him.
You could